Hey there everyone, my name is Manish and you are watching my YouTube channel. So today in this video I try to explain about the mechanism of Mac, how the Mac work and how to utilize the Mac. This is all about the Mac video. If you're having a Mac, then do with me and try to learn the things on the go. And if you don't have a Mac and you are still watching, thanks for watching, thanks for your curiosity. So let me begin with first of all open. So I started from basics to I go to the end level. So let me come on the first of all. This is Finder. You can say that this is file manager for Mac. In this you will be find every files. This is all about sidebar. In this you will be find every application here, applications. Another, this is Rackstop, and you can find here also there in Finder. This is same as file manager in Windows and file manager in Ubuntu also. Okay, and let me come on the documentations, downloads, movies, music, pictures, and this is home directory. In this you will be find everything here also. You can create folder very easily by creating new folder name, whatever you can say that I can create a folder for YouTube for my videos, and I can store the videos here. This is for YouTube, and in this here you will be find devices like I having a hard disk of 100 GB. Okay, so I can found here it's empty hard disk. Okay, and this is my main disk of Macintosh, and this is tax. This is useful when you want to get file immediately, like if you went to Python intermediate to, you can say that red, yeah, you will be get very easily here, when you need very easily one kind of things, any kind of particular things that match together the things, you can get into the one folder. Like I know Python and I can create another folder like learn Python, I can get into this red box. So here I can find both of the folder. I don't have to be figure out where it should be, and this is all about very easy. When you use it, it will feel like very amazing. Okay, this is all about Finder, and now come on the point of Launchpad. In the Launchpad you will be find every applications, from Safari to mail to contacts to calendar to reminder, everything you will find here. Mostly I don't use all this kind of application like mail, contact, calendar, reminder, notes, maps, message, FaceTime. Mostly I use these kind of application like PyCharm, Visual Studio, Anacondas, and Google Chromes, Grammarly, Sublimes, Ubuntu's, like Unireboot, VirtualBox, Serits, and these all kind of things. These kind of applications sometimes are helpful, but not usually. Okay, this is all about Launchpad. This is Safari. This is a browser, very simple. You can find Google here very easily just by typing Google. It's a very fast browser for browsing. Mostly I don't browse in the Safari because I'm used to of Chrome. So mostly I spend my time on the Chrome. And let's come on the mail. Here you will be find all the mails from your Gmail to email. Okay, like I have a mail from Apple. Like I today I'm creating a Apple ID, so it's my verifications, and you can it's user interface is good. I like the user interface, and sometime it's annoys you, it will be send whole lot of notifications that you would not like to be come on your screen. Okay, and this is all about mail. Now notes, you can create notes, any kind of notes. I have created a Quora post here. This is so long post, and this is my LinkedIn automation tools. So for creating, you can just simply here new notes and just create notes and name it. This is new note. You can just simply create a very easy notes, and this is all about notes, and you can get colors and all the things very easily, not big deal. This is all about notes. In the reminder you can do to do list, like you can say that's go to zim and go to sleep. Everybody can sleep as well. Double EB sleep very easy, and this is all about reminders. When you complete, you can just click on here. This is gone. Go to sleep. Hey, I don't go there. Just me. Let me come on this. Let me come on this. Yeah, you will get very easily. This is all about reminder, and now come on the App Store. You will be find every application here in App Store, and this is like all about. You can say this App Store for Apple. For like in the Android, you have App Store. In Apple, you have okay the same App Store. So here you can find Mac OS Catalina. I'm using Mac OS High Sierra because my Mac is not supportable for Mac OS Catalina. This is my latest like last update that I can get Mac OS High Sierra. This is good, not a big difference in this user interface of the Mac OS Catalina is good, but all the things is same definitely. Okay, I am used to of using Mac OS High Sierra. Not a big deal. I have used Mac OS Catalina as well as the previous version of and I forgot the name. So yeah, I have used on all the Macs from High Sierra to Mac OS High Sierras to Lions to every like you can say that's then come on the setting part. This is mostly I love the part here. Here you can modify your Mac how the Mac should be work. So it will be take very good amount of time if I explain everything here. So I can like explain very fastly what is this. In the general, you will be find you can change your like general things like how the color and appearance and what the default browser, and if you come on the desktop and screensaver, you will be change the setting of the desktop like right now I'm using High Sierra. I can change to this, and yeah, you can say change the wallpaper is good. I can keep this, then I can keep this wallpaper, and here you can only select colors. I would not like to select, let me select one. So it's not looking good. Which one is this one good? Okay, now then you can select photos, folders, and the screensaver. You can select the screensaver after certain amount of the time. It will be start on the screen. If you do not interact with them, it's about dogs. You like how the dog's feeling. The dogs is right now good feeling. You can do left, right, whatever your choice it is. It's you can do on your preferences. So I'm mostly select on the bottom, and you can select max mini from your preferences like how the when the magnifying goes it also upper. You can do small, you can do big. It's totally upon you how would you like to be feel your dog. And there about mission control means if your mouse cursor goes here left side, what kind of things should you open. When the mouse goes right side, when the mouse goes right bottom, left bottom, what to do. Okay, after that language, security, spotlight, there are a whole lot of things. You I can take a lot of time. The video is going longer if I explain what the system preferences or setting are. Now let me come on the, this is my favorite part, Google. Mostly I spend my time on that things. I'm now searching about Apple tour like I wanted to do for you. So I'm searching Apple tool like it suggests many things. So this is Chrome. You can find this is menu bar. In the menu bar, you can select from this new tab, Control tab, or you can select from shortcut like Control T. Or this is all about. You can just search for Google. This will be open up very easily. This is all about these things. Now come on the system activity monitor. Here you will find all about the CPUs, memories, energy, disk, okay, and network. This is like more very advanced stuff. This is quick time play for playing the videos. This is all about VLC. I don't have to be explain about VLC. I think so you should know. VLC is a like you can say that media player that play the videos, and this is OBS for recording videos. And here you will be find a quick like applications like open up. You can close it here application and open up. So I think so I have covered a lot of things. If you like to do one more videos on the Apple tour, I like to be do this. I have, if you request to me, I can do for you. Okay, so thanks for watching. We will be meet in another video. So for that, bye bye.